แบบยืดกินปีเดียวเอาละ
Time now 6:31, but road, walking street still open for cars. I don't know what time they will close. Oh, Shire said, oh, McDonald's. You want McDonald's? I don't want McDonald's. We just finish it only and want McDonald's again. McDonald's, you can go to McDonald's in the Philippines, not.
But the burgers in Philippines, it's not
They're the same, I think, the same.
Yes.
I think McDonald's menu only in China different.
We have fish fillet here, but in
Then what?
Philippines don't have.
No. But still open road. I don't understand why. Yes, open road now. And bar, most of the bar closed. Every bar closed right now. Maybe from 7. DHL. And most of tourists I see is Chinese. Chinese, Russian, Indian. Наша Russia. It's Наша, it's mean our. Our Russia. Наша Russia is calling. I think Russia, I think government and the Angeles want to do later in the future the same. Same restaurant, bar, or maybe night time only open. I don't know. But they want to close, or maybe not close. Maybe only want to do maybe restaurants and few bars. Maybe I don't know. When already built bridge. Oh, so big. Такая лучшая. Oh, so big. Toilet. This is toilet. Massage also. Take a look, they buy medicine and you can after eat and use play with gun. Bar and restaurant. This is new club, Boss Club. Tuesday now. So many bloggers, everywhere bloggers. Fahrenheit. Seafood restaurant again. Frog.
Hello welcome ครับ
I don't want frog. I want seafood. No, I'm full already. We eat already before. I don't. We eat together.
I like the smell of the coffee.
Ah, coffee? Do you like coffee?
Yes.
I know we always like coffee.
Okay.
Yes, 6:42. What is this? What we do it? Like a, I don't know. See? People like gun here, everywhere.
Pra me provocar, ela dá
Turkish ice cream.
Oh, shit.
And traffic. Very big traffic now. Shira like sing song everywhere. Sing song. Take a look, heavy traffic here. So around 7. Indian nightclub. Everywhere people filming. This is also a restaurant. Also restaurant. Okay. Toilet bus Pattaya. Beach Road.